I'm ready to teach you more. Let's have fun and explore. Pipsy!
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Hey everybody, it's me, Pipsy. And guess where I am today? I'm at my friend's farm. Cool, right? Take a look at what I have here. I have my toy dump truck and my toy wheel loader. That's awesome, isn't it? Do you guys know what a wheel loader is? A wheel loader is a big type of heavy machinery that picks up dirt and other types of material as well. So take a look. Scoop, and then we pick it up. And then we can bring it over to the dump truck and put the dirt wherever else we want to put it. And where do we put it? In the dump truck. Good job. Let's take it out for a spin, shall we? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Can you make that noise? Vroom, vroom. Whoa, what's this? It's a real wheel loader. Let's take a look at the front. Come on, let's go. Whoa, this is huge. Look at this. This is called the bucket. The bucket is the part that scoops up the dirt and the materials, and it's so big I could fit inside of it. That's incredible, right? Let's go take a look at the interior. What do you say? Come on, let's go. Whoa. Look, it's so big we need a ladder to climb inside. Okay, let's be careful. Whoa, I feel so high up right now. I think I can see my house. Watch your head. Look at me. I'm driving a wheel loader. So take a look at this. Inside we have all these levers and buttons, and I'm sure it feels overwhelming, but let me explain some of the main ones. Here we have the steering wheel. It allows us to steer the wheel loader. And here's our horn. Cool, right? Over here, these two levers control the bucket in the front. And down here, we have the brake and the gas. Brake on the left and the gas on the right. Awesome, right? All right, kids, we're gonna start the machine up, but remember, safety first. So now that we have our buckle on, let's get it started. Whoa! Do you hear that? So cool! Whoa! This is my friend Roberto. He offered to show us how the wheel loader works. Awesome! Kids, look what else I found. A dump truck. And Roberto's gonna put all of that dirt into the dump truck, just like my toy. Awesome! That was amazing! What'd you guys think? So cool, right? Awesome. Let's see if there's anything else we can find. Come on. Look what else I found. It's a huge wood chipper. That's what creates the mulch. Come on, let me show you how it works. Yeah! Okay, let me explain how it works. They take these huge blocks of wood and they put it on this conveyor belt, and the conveyor belt moves into the wood chipper, and the wood chipper spins and it cuts up the mulch, and then it moves onto another conveyor belt up there, and it moves up there and creates these huge piles of mulch that look like mountains. Pretty neat, right? That was so much fun today, kids. We got to play with my toy wheel loader and my toy dump truck and the actual wheel loader and dump truck. Before we get going, I just wanted to show you the stark difference between the sizes of these two. Look at that. My little toy truck and the actual wheel loader. Now let's take a look at the dump truck. Look at that! My toy compared to the actual dump truck. It's a huge difference. That was so much fun. You could check out some of my other adventures if you type in or look for me, Pipsy. P-I-P-S-Y, Pipsy. Bye!